Hi, my name is Donna, and today
Sorry.
this is a dish called Menemen, and this is from Turkey. It's essentially scrambled eggs. What you do is you want to slice up an onion, maybe half of it basically. And this probably is enough right here. So this should be plenty to go in. This will cook down. Here are locally produced. And you'll see in this pan, which is a good cook's pan, you don't have to add any oil to it. Very inexpensive item I picked up at ShopRite. This pan is typically what the Turkish would serve at the breakfast table. And I have cooked in it, but it sticks like crazy, and I haven't figured out the way to not get it to stick. I'm making this for 2 people, so I like to add 1 extra egg. So 5 eggs. You can use a whisk. I like to use my chopsticks. A quick whisk with the chopsticks is enough. I think I'm going to give this a chance to get a little bit softer, a little bit less crispy. This is Charlie's Legendary Onions, not just for hot dogs. For 1 ounce is 1 Weight Watcher point. So since this is a serving for 2 people, I'm putting 2 ounces of Charlie's Legendary Onions in. Pour it in, you give it a stir around a little bit. Homegrown tomatoes ain't nothing like homegrown tomatoes. So a few minutes of this, just let it cook and kind of get the bits off the bottom so you can incorporate that. I literally just ran outside and got some Greek oregano. Throw it right in there, just peel it right off. And add some nice fresh herbs. This is cooking up very, very well. This is a 1-point dish, because you only have to count the points that you would get from having this 1 ounce of onions. Otherwise, the rest of this food has 0 points. And I did turn my temperature down from 5 to 3. And I'm going to give it about 2 minutes to just kind of finish cooking as the heat is decreasing. The vegetables are cooked but still crispy. Nice, healthy, 1-point breakfast.